Small Business for Dummies by Eric TYSON and SCHELL. This book will teach you how to become an entrepreneur, how to buy an existing business, how to run a successful business, and how to keep your business going. First, you have to ask yourself if a small business is for you. Do you have number skills? Skills related to borrowing money and accounting for it. Do you have sales skills? Can you market your product or service? Do you have leadership skills? Do you have the confidence, the intuition, the drive, and the passion to run your own business? Let's say you already have the skills to run a small business. Now you have to choose what type of business you want to create. This could be retail, service, manufacturing, wholesaling, and the list goes on. Next, you want to write a mission statement and a business plan. A mission statement is an easy-to-remember sentence illustrating your business goals and purpose in life. For instance, Disney's mission statement is to make people happy. Mary Kay's mission statement is to give unlimited opportunity for women. A business plan consists of 6 parts. The first one is a business description. This is one sentence about what your business will do or does. Also, is your business going to be a sole proprietorship, a partnership, corporation, or an LLC, which stands for Limited Liability Corporation? 2, management. This includes biographies of the principal members of your business. These are the president, vice president, sales and marketing managers, board members, etc. 3, marketing plan. This provides the reader with an overview of the industry in which your business competes, a description of your business's potential customers, and how you intend to sell, distribute, and promote your product or service. 4, operations. This is the scope of your business operations, from dealing with employees to purchasing from vendors. 5, risks. Be aware of risks. Every business venture has a risk. 6, financial management plan. You need to consider 3 types of financial statements: profit and loss statement, balance sheet, cash flow projections. Finally, maybe you don't want to take the risk of creating your own business, so you decide to buy one. Now, you need to start by gathering information like the business background, the business's reputation, the business's credit history, key customers, key employees, and inspect the company's financial statements. In conclusion, obviously this was a brief overview. You can read in more detail when or if you decide to get this book.